औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे दोस्तों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक ठाक है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन। हम भी सब खैरियत से हैं। प्यारे सज्जनों, ठीक ठाक हो तुसी? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन। असी भी सब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन। Very good morning dear viewers from all over the world, my internet family, my YouTube family. Welcome to my my YouTube channel. Right now, dear viewers, I'm trying to make vlog. Hello birds, but I'm trying. It's many days or last. They fly away and come on this side. So innocent and small. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's natural scenes, sceneries, beautiful nature from our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. MashaAllah. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum bi rahmatika astaghith. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz-zalimin. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So they are picking up their foods, they are looking for their foods. I have put food from my side on my roof, but they don't know where is our roof. We are here in the park. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving them here whatever is in their luck, so they can pick up foods from this park. Two birds are little big and one is smaller. Wow, what a beautiful walk. And same time they are picking up their food and little bit walking. थोड़ा थोड़ा चल रहे हैं, ये देखें, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. Anyway, dear viewers, we have reached end of this video. See you in next video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my all channels. You can see one small bird is here. ओके प्यारे दोस्तों, मिलते हैं फिर किसी अगले व्लॉग दे विच. अपना ख्याल रखना, तुसी भी अपना ख्याल रखना, सारे अपना ख्याल रखिएगा प्यारे दोस्तों. डियर व्यूअर्स, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. ओके देशी, अल्लाह हाफिज़ देशी. मास्सलामा या अरब फ्रेंड्स, फ़ी अमानिल्लाह. Bye dear viewers from all over the world.